Out of the woods
back.
yet.
So what did they called the cops, obviously?
Right, they called the cops, and finally Assistant Greg came to me and said that basically the reservation had been canceled. I asked for documentation not only of cancellation of tonight's rooms, but also of the reservation I have.
Did you receive
for
it?
tomorrow, and I couldn't. I tried several times with that question to try to get it in writing, never could. I was assured that it would be coming in email. So I guess we can wait another day or two.
And if they don't give us a reason, then they're in violation of the 2010 Equality Act and they've broken the law.
So then we can come back and ask for it again, or like you said, you know, they have broken the law.
So we're seeking legal advice at the moment.
Exactly. So it's definitely not a done deal in our book.
The Grove Hotel, which takes orders from war criminals, called the police on us simply because we asked for a reason why our reservation had been cancelled.
Exactly.
And we're going to film as we leave, because I noticed that the security, which was on the door, as soon as we started asking questions at reception, followed you out at a distance.
I'm sure, and we're probably going to get followed again. Oh no, they're helping us get out. Greg's back there holding traffic for us.
They're directing us out.
Alright.
There you see them in the distance.
But you know, at the end of it, I'd agreed to leave, and I said I would like to talk. I know the police are here right now. I would like to speak with them to make a report right now. And they said, well, the police are not available. I mean, there's a turn of events right there. So, normally the police are right there in front.
So what were the police doing?
Thank you very much. Well, you know, all I ever saw were the police cars, which we're about to see.
So they basically use that as an intimidation tactic.
And yes, and I've never actually at this point have seen the actual police officers.
I saw them arrive. I made a video when they arrived. I saw them get out.
Okay. So I don't know where they ran to.
I presumed they were in there questioning you, but obviously
I thought I'd at least have an opportunity to talk with the police and plead my case with them and ask.
Obviously, actually afraid of the police getting involved because we told them they had broken the law.
They may have been. Look, here's a photographer in that car. I'm sure they're going to like. Everybody could come out here and do some photography of the Grove. They're obviously not going to be happy about that. So. But yes, I was ready to ask the police. I said, well, here's at least 3 issues. Number one, obviously, why is my reservation being canceled?
Yeah.
And I want documentation about that, regarding that. Number 2, not only do I have a reservation for starting tonight, but I also have another reservation for some other folks in our party in my name starting tomorrow night. And I wanted documentation that I wasn't going to be charged in any manner, and cancellation, cause of cancellation, etc.
Yeah. And
number 3 issue, actually there was a 4th issue, but kind of a 4th minor issue, but the 3rd issue was how about I need rooms for the night. I need assistance in being accommodated. I've had hotels that I arrived at that they said, oh my gosh, we overbooked, we're full.
Yeah.
But you know what, we're going to set you up over here at Hotel X.
Yeah.
It's really close or whatever. And they had no offer of assistance whatsoever, other than to refer me to my telephone and search on the web. So
and they weren't happy with being filmed, were they?
No, they disliked that completely.
Because they're taking orders from criminals in doing this.
Exactly. And then the 4th issue is that, hey, I've been traveling all day, I'm tired, I'm hungry, and I'd like to at least go in one of the restaurants. I was advised that I think the finest restaurant they had in there out of 3 restaurants, Colette, was supposed to be the finest, and I wanted to at least go in there and have a nice dinner, at least, in a hotel that I wasn't allowed to stay in. So they even denied me that, saying that all 3 restaurants were fully booked. So there you have it, folks. The New World Order at work, and their minions right there unquestioningly following their orders.
We hope you enjoyed your visit. Well, we would have done if we hadn't been discriminated against because of our political opinions, which is a crime. This hotel has committed a crime under the 2010 Equality Act, which we went in there to document. And now we're heading back to our hotel. There's the Grove. which will be the site of Bilderberg 2013 and numerous protests. So we'll be back with more videos, Infowars.com.
And I'm actually, before you sign off, one last thing, I'm actually surprised that the police officers didn't sprint to their cars as in a standing Grand Le Mans race and come out here and give chase to us. It looks like we're actually going to succeed in making a safe and free exit. Thank you very much, The Grove.
Infowars.com, we'll be back, stay tuned.